Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Technical Fantasy and you are most welcome. We are going to address of issue which is commonly faced by the every second persons. The notifications are coming in spite of they are not wanting that to come in the important times. So in this tutorial we will study how to switch off the notifications. This is a very common issue. So not wasting the much time guys, please let us see, let us go into the tutorial. So for this we go here on setting, and then setting is not coming, we go on setting, and then in setting you will see the here the notifications is coming, but if you switch off the notification from here it will not work. So for that you will come back, and then you have to go to accessibility. In the accessibility there is again advanced setting. The manufacturers have been hidden it into the 3 layers, and then here you are seeing that notifications reminders. So in this notifications reminders you can see it is activated for all apps. So and the reminder is activated for every 3 minutes. So think guys how irritating it will be if you are getting so much beep sounds within 3 minutes. So for this you have to turn it off. Hopefully the notifications will not work, but if in some phone it is still coming, then what we have to do? Suppose in some phone it is after switches of the notifications under accessibility, beeps are still coming. Then what we have to do? We have to just go to the connections and then switch off the Bluetooth. NFC and payments also needs to be switched off, because the phone Bluetooth or through Wi-Fi can communicate the credit cards which are under your surroundings. Everybody has credit card in her pocket or his pocket. So these are the two things we need to do, and after that we have to go to the SIM toolkit, and then flash has to be deactivated for the notifications from the service provider. So let us I am going to a quick review of this tutorial. To get your notifications off, first you have to off the notification reminder which is under setting, then accessibility, then notification reminder, advanced setting, then notification reminder. Switch off that reminder. Even after that, if you still receiving the notification, then switch off the Bluetooth and NFC and payments. At that time, deactivate the flash under SIM toolkit. This is all about the tutorial guys. If you face any difficulty, please do comment. Before leaving the channel, I once again request you to please subscribe my channel, please share my video, so that many of the people who are not knowing how to switch off the notification may be benefited. Thank you guys, signing off.